In this install video, I'm going to be taking off the OEM hood latches and replacing them with the Drake RocKlaw hood latches. These are going to work way better than the stock ones. But I will be having to take out the 13mm bolt right here, which is located underneath where I'm sticking my fat finger through here. It's really hard to get out, so I'll have to probably take off the front grille to get access to that bolt. And then once that's done, we'll be switching our attention to the top one up here. These are two 10mm bolts that need to come off, and after that it's pretty much easy. So without further ado, let's get over here and pull this front grille off so we can gain access to the 13mm bolt that I need to get to. So here we have the grille off. It makes it way easier to get a wrench in. We're looking at a 13mm bolt just under this latch right here. And then again on the passenger side as well.
Alright, so let's crank this off here. Didn't lose it. Awesome.
Now I'm putting the main part of the Drake hood latch system on with a 13mm bolt going through the stock hole here, using an OEM bolt with the washer built on. The hard part here is get my fat hands in there to get the hand tight in there, and then I get the wrench back on there with a 13mm socket. Key here is you want to crank it, but you don't want to get too tight. You just want to get it really nice and snug, so therefore it doesn't bend or do any damage to the sheet metal. Not very strong, but there you go. And then we'll move on to the next part here. Taking off the two 10mm bolts off the top here to make room then and get rid of the old one there and put the new Drake aluminum style catcher at the very top here. These come off pretty easy. It's the easiest part of the installation. Alright, so with these Drake hood latches, you've got a chance to actually adjust these for the hood flatter. Make it looser, tighter. It's actually a really neat feature. I, of course, did not get the instructions in my box, so I took them all apart and disassembled them to get it to where I wanted for the adjustment. And I used two back from flush. But actually looking at the instructions online, I see that you could actually do it with it on the truck. Oh well. So here I am just putting it back together again, and I'm going to make it so it's like two little rows down from the top, which I think would make it really good, make it nice and tight without making it like crazy hard to actually shut the hood. So here I am. Fast forward, getting her done, tightening it all back up again with the Allen keys that I had to find, of course, that fit the size. It all down now. I'm going to put the grommet piece back over top of the two bolts, and now this is going to go back into the hood. These are going to be the 10mm OEM hardware I'm going to use, the bolt with the washer. Now you're not going to over tighten these at all because it is just sheet metal, so just get it on there hand tight and get the socket to it, and away we go. That's it, easy as pie. Okay, let's try this out. We're going to shut this hood and we're going to see how well these latches work. So we're getting her down here, and as you notice too, I put the OEM grommet back in play there, just that rubber piece that goes with the stock one. You just pull it out real easy. Okay, I'm going to clip it on here. You need to see that hood, super tight, does not move. That was the driver's side. Now the passenger side, I'm going to clip this sucker in. Look at that, beautiful, nice and tight, awesome.